Hello there. Hi. I'm actually an Insta influencer. I click stranger pictures.
Okay.
If you have time, can we have a quick shoot?
I actually have to go at home.
It's hardly going to take 2 minutes. You can check out my page, in fact. Your name is?
Kirtana?
Okay, I actually saw you there. I thought you're really cute. We can have a quick shoot.
Thank you.
Page is Memories Restored. You're from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore, okay. That's my page.
You sure you chose the right one? You seem to be pretty popular. I know this guy.
Yeah.
Isn't he a stunt guy?
Yeah, I actually met him last week. So if you're okay, hardly 2 to 3 minutes. We'll quickly wind up. But if you have time, we can shoot more.
Can I check out some of the pictures that you clicked once I see it? Maybe I can.
Sure, we'll do that. Let's go there. Actually, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lighting ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. What's your name?
Kirtana?
And ಎಲ್ಲಿನವ್ರು ನೀವು?
Bangalore.
Pure Bangalore.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೀ
ಹೇಳಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ದರ್ಶನ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು.
ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀ ಐ ಸ್ವೇರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅನ್ IT ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್. ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ APIs.
You work with APIs. And if you don't mind, how much do you earn?
Around from 10 to 20 lakhs per year.
Super. And do you love what you work?
I hopefully will love from now on.
Okay.
I changed my job recently, so.
Okay. And congrats on your new job. Apart from that, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Otaku. I watch a lot of animes. I am a huge fan of Japanese culture.
Okay. Apart from that, ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್?
I draw.
You draw?
Yeah. Very amateur. Don't ask me to show anything.
Okay.
It was still unfinished, but yeah.
ನಾನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll show you what I have done so far. Actually, I do painting, sketch, a lot of things. I'll show you. But let's start with the shoot. So that we have enough time. ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I had soft model for my friend. That's it.
For your friend?
Yeah. You don't want me to like do any particular?
I'll tell you first. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಪೋಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫೇಸ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. Your smile will be like a little fake. So
I am not.
try to calm down. ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yeah, because I don't model or anything, so.
It's fine. Just
Sure,
I'm your friend, so. ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Obviously, and
It's fine, chill. You're just
a
posing.
lot of people, so.
ಓಕೆ. ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. You're doing great. Very good pictures. Give me some more time. See.
It's very pretty.
ಜನ ಇರೋದೇ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಚಿಲ್. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್?
It was really good, and thank you for trying to make me relaxed because it was the first time I ever did it. Thank you so much. It was nice.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್.